Any concerns with sunroof creaking and potential damage to sealed glass when cornering hard after installing sway bars in a C8 A6 Allroad? I have never heard this or
No, I
experienced
mean
this.
the amount of twisting load difference and whatnot is
It's
so
minuscule.
inconsequential.
Yeah.
As just hitting like a speed bump on one side of the taking it across two wheels.
I have never experienced this. I mean, I have much stiffer sway bars in my Q7 in that car. There's no creaking.
Yeah, no, I mean the forces are like I said, there's the normal driving dynamics and forces applied to the vehicle are way beyond what you're going to see in a sway bar change.
Yeah,
at a chassis twisting level like that.
I would question that the two things are correlated, but I'm skeptical that they're correlated. I'm not saying I don't believe you.
Like correlation versus cause.
Yeah, I think you could probably disconnect the sway bar. You'd still get that creaking sound, which is probably more of a function of something going on with your sunroof. Audi sunroofs are kind of problematic.
Yeah, even dirt makes them creak.
Oh, there's
they have to be the tracks have to be lubricated.
Well, it's just an engineering nightmare for that big of a sealed surface area, and it's got to slide and articulate two different directions. Like, the fact that they don't all leak is astonishing.
Mm-hmm.